Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can show app icon badges in your device Oppo A57e. So if you want to show app icon badges in your device Oppo A57e, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can show app icon badges in your device.